Some video. Hannah, what are you eating? What are you eating? Are you eating some avocado? Is it good? Are you getting it all over you? Are we gonna have to give you a bath?
Is she eating any of it?
She put some in her mouth this time, a lot more than last time.
Did she actually swallow it, or
I don't know.
smash it around?
Oopsies. The avocado ran away, Hannah. Honey, could you sit her back up? Oh, I have avocado all over my hands.
Here's some avocado.
There we go. There we go. What you got, Miss Hannah? Is it good? Are you smiling at your daddy? Oh, she ate some, honey. She looked it up off the tray. Hey, got some in your hand. Are you going to eat it? Look. Look, honey.
Aw. You hear Tally burp. I think she's eating a little. Do you think so?
Yeah.
Does she like it?
I don't know. She hasn't made any nasty faces.